Yo, Shop Federal Face is your boy Physical Keys, aka President Goti One Kids. Ifihlela habe. Spill the beans with Physical Keys, episode 3. Now I'm saying, who do we have here?
Hi, it's a Mpumi, aka Dark Beauty.
Eish. Manjesi. Ibathaka mashanda phafela wayithi limajita ke mapara jazz le chelete one tlhalohanya. So yeah, why is Bizanga Dark Beauty?
Yo, because it's the color of my skin.
Okay.
Yeah, and I find confident in that.
All right.
I've been through hell. Yeah, with this.
So Dark Beauty
With
through
this
hell.
tone. Yeah,
If
because
she's cool, then you got dark.
bleach.
Huh?
I've once tried to, but then until I was reminded that my skin tone actually defines who I am. So.
But black is beautiful,
Exactly.
right?
So
Hey, Calamagnola.
with the kind of bread is fitted to choose. With the kind of bread is fitted to choose.
Now I'm saying, Calamagnola. Shout out to Calamagnola. Now I'm saying. Yo, yeah. You know the game, guys. I'm just gonna ask her 3 questions. If not 4, we'll decide, and then she has to answer them honestly. So now I'm saying, yeah. First question. Would you date a broke ass nigga that has looks, or umshita onemali but isikobo see with now? It's not even that beauty. Score. Boom.
Honestly,
Don't laugh. Why are you laughing?
honestly speaking, I date a guy who's actually broke because there's consequences when dating a guy who has money and has ugly looks.
But to me, not get fun almost.
It's not. Remember, a guy who actually has money, for a person who has like a caring heart like mine, I'd actually change his looks
Oh,
before starting the procedure for like dating, girlfriend wise.
okay.
But then if it's like a beautiful gent and is broke, we hustle to make it our way out of life.
So we're okay time between the two.
Because of a pretty guy.
Pretty guy.
Yes, bro.
She's going for the looks. I'm saying, mina vele ngomjito ukuthi angibheki vela next. I come now on my face and keep my
That's a good thing.
That's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
At least I understand. I understand the next. So how much do you think a guy should spend for you? Maybe on a date, since you're now no girlfriend allowance, you don't have a problem, man. Like a cool guy, understand?
I'm not expensive, man. It's the little things that matter to me, so I prefer to say 3K
on a date.
Yes, because I see someone expensive or okay, I'm being honest from my side.
So if you spend the 3K with date?
Yeah, because obviously I have to buy clothing.
Okay.
I have to fix my hair.
Okay.
Lashes, nails.
Okay.
Pedicure, one tolerance. I have to like.
I see you,
Nakona. Things.
But manje phela ubukeka ngathi uyadura, like you're wearing Fabian and ekuse umjita phela ngingakhona ngisho ukuthi wena udinga umjita usipana grand vele yawo udinga umjita onemali or vele usha amabhizinisi na something yayibonakala.
Yeah.
So wena ke umjita obroke nayo umkhona.
Yeah, kusho lo.
Wangiphoqa. Wayijika ke manje. Besamba kahle ujikile. Ushayile u10. Aha. Ebafethu Fabian. Ibuza shaba red bed angewulunge ntanga. You understand? Ha. This is Mpumi K. Dark Beauty. Sababhala sikadlala wena. Ngimzwile. You know what I'm saying? So do you have a type?
Oh, yes I do.
Okay, what's your type?
My type, you must be buff.
Buff.
Yes, you must be like scorer. You must be tall. You must be a bit chubby, but not too chubby, but chubby. And yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So iPhone is score like he's slender senzeni
because ingakwazi ukungiguga. Imagine sengiqulekile ke manje I fainted. Uzokwazi ukungiguga? No, you won't.
Mara do you say igora idima kakhulu bese kuncipha kakhulu yabo. They say that. Yeah?
No.
So you don't believe in that?
Nah, I don't. Ayinciphi mangabe yakho ayinciphi.
Okay. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Ukuthi ufuna isigora sinahla. See, it's very ufuna isinahla. Okay, if you are there and it's not, maramele wafuna Jimmy na like I say overtold, yabo.
Yeah, that's what
So when you are Jim or when you
yes,
finish not.
I do gym
Okay, very
after a
nice.
long time.
Yeah. Okay. So what's your biggest turn of MG10 girl? Like any guy that you with in a relationship?
Lack of communication.
Okay.
Uh, lack of honesty, man. As a man, you must be honest. Don't be a liar.
Okay.
Because once you have a lie, you see the child now acting potential.
All right. All right.
Yes. And be able to trust your girl, man. Trust your girl.
Mm-hmm.
Even though you have doubts a good time, man, don't ask in favor.
Mm-hmm.
Give her the benefit of the doubt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I know yazwakala yazi. Mm. So you low paler. When it comes
Yeah.
to the looks, when I shoot with whether it's go or no
You must be like caramel, not like yellow bone. I know yellow bone na dlalana. Yes, sis. Be caramel, like
Why are you
don't be
saying I'm a yellow bone near Dalana? Because now I'm not young
okay.
father.
So
I'm not a yellow
baya
bone.
dlalana.
Yeah.
Baya dlalana.
I'm also a dark beauty. Yeah. Serious.
Mangaza
I
qamqini.
am. Ethi mina yulo suke wazibleach yabo angisho nabengableach
Awa.
fafa
No.
with the filter, dark beauty
Nah.
with the filter.
Yabona dark beauty ibona ngani? Ibona ngani?
Yeah.
Wona uma light skin nje uyabonakala ukuthi hawu shembe baba.
Dlala amantombazana.
Hawu shembe baba.
Chembe.
Ngiyadlala. But yeah.
Hey, yeah, man. It's really hard in the kitchen, I'm saying. So
Yeah.
maybe people wanna know you, who you are, and then where they can find you. Maybe are you into social media or something?
You can find me on TikTok, Miss M, Miss Mpumi 21, yes, or Miss MM, yes,
Okay.
and also on Instagram, same as
Okay.
Miss M, or Miss Mpumi 21.
Shout out to Miss M with that beauty. See you on the next episode. This is your boy Physical Keys, aka President Gotin Kiabua Rapela. You don't swear mashanda pafela. That beauty, that white, when not that green, I'm coming. Now I'm saying, oh.